Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official NerdWallet website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner which you can click on and you can proceed with your credentials and you will end up within your dashboard. Now, once you are inside your dashboard, if you wish to change your password, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on password. You will now be asked to enter your current password first. Go ahead and click on the current password box and then enter the current password that you use for your account. You can then type in your desired new password underneath within the new password box and then you can click on the change password button and your password will be changed right away. You might be asked to enter the authentication code that has been sent to your authentication app or your phone. So check your phone or the authentication app and enter this one-time code and your password will be changed successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on NerdWallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.